So I joined VR Chat in 2017, like January 2017. And, I started building my own models from prefabs and, DeviantArt models like Naruto stuff. And then slowly started making my own models. And then, like years later, started building environments and worlds for VR Chat. And then after my son was born, I really couldn't spend time in VR. And then so I did a lot of desktop VR chat stuff. But then when Warudo came out, I was able to make a legit original VTuber model for myself for free. I didn't have to commission anybody. I learned how to do it myself, and I became obsessed. And then toward the end of the year in 2023, I started building environments using the skills from VR Chat World Design to make VTuber environments for me to use. So it felt like me being in VR Chat, but not being in VR Chat. And now in 2024, we have Mikoverse that allows me to do like take the functionality of like online play and multiplayer and hang out with people in a session. So I'm literally taking my model that I had for Warudo and using it in the game that looks nicer than the game that I started off with, VR Chat. So yeah. It is really something special. And that's the reason why I would like it. And I'm totally going to back. I don't know what the tiers are for Kickstarter, what you get for backing Mikoverse on Kickstarter. But if it has anything to do with uploading your own, like you get one free world that you can create in Unreal and upload, and it's a persistent, and it's a constant persistent build. Like if I can get those two, if I can like, here's a world that I made in Unreal, or this is a world that I have that I want to put into Mikoverse, and I get to build it and it maintains a persistent build, that's worth the money. I'd gladly pay money for the ability to do that, because it allows me to be creative and build things in the Unreal Engine. I can go back to like, I can build Kamurocho, sorry, the Yakuza.
Same.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be out of all the free, because like Waterdo's free and Binyan's free and everything, but it's worth the price. VR Chat in itself is free, but now people pay money. There's legalities and everything, but the one thing about Mikoverse and everything is like you either have the standard like patats, or like the male version or the female version of these models, or you can upload your own VTuber models and allow to have and hang around with people. And I think that's amazing. And yeah, you can do this, and it's like real-time fake
I used
lighting.
to work for Linden Labs with Second Life back in the day, building Sims and designing avatars, and for a long time, it was the good outlet. Put it off, then eventually I went to VR Chat for a little while, but then realized it was mostly just kids. So it's kind of nice to see the next evolution with Mikoverse, with tech nerds and artists to collaborate and learn.
Yeah. The one thing I would say that I don't want as a feature for Mikoverse is I don't want voice comms. I don't want voice over IP. I think that is the best way. If we can have chat,
Same.
Chat censored. Or like a modded
Agreed,
chat.
it's better without it.
Yeah. Like a modded chat. Like as long as there's nothing like super obscene, like if you start spamming the N-word in chat, it's not gonna pop up. It's like an automatic.
So more like PlayStation Home?
Yeah, because the thing is, that would truly make a good collaboration and allow people, because we're able to hang out and still have a great time, because we don't have to be in our VR headsets. And also, you don't have to hear any whining kids. And we can password it, or we can make it open. And if you wanted to collaborate with another VTuber or another content creator, you can set it up, put it on a password.
Until the COD kids show up, lol.
Yeah, but that's the reason why I never want voice comms over there, because if the collaboration, if you really want to collab and do a multiplayer, like an online collab with two VTubers, those VTubers have already...
Exactly.
They've already collaborated, they've already met with each other beforehand, and as long as they're on Discord, like a Discord call, just like how Miko did it with, what's her name? I can't remember her name, during the tavern build contest. Like how they did that, because it was real time.
Mia.
Yeah, exactly. That's a great example of a VTuber collaboration done well in Mikoverse, because you don't have to worry about anybody coming in and start like saying offensive words or blah blah blah, or kids screaming and running around. It's like everyone's on mute except for, and of course, like I'm pretty sure that if you were in, like, I was never in the world, but if you're in the world with Miko as she's live streaming, you see her mouth moving, but you don't hear her voice. That entails people to be like, hey, you should go to the live stream to see what she's saying. Like...
Well, I think they might have to have a teleport, suspension, and maybe a possible like partition between some of the viewers and VTubers when they're coming into broadcast. Only because it can start to get a little harassed.
Well, that's the beauty of the doors, right? Until someone finds a way to clip through these doors. And those doors were made where only the creator, like only I, can open that door and close that door. So if I have that door closed, no one can get in unless somebody finds a way to phase through. All right, Jackal's gonna try.
Love that permission.
All right, you can get out. Can you get out?
Yeah, that's a great idea with rooms.
Oh, okay. Okay. So did you get out because you pointed your cursor through the window? You know what it kind of reminds me? It's like VTuber Rust.
Free cam mode, then alt click.
Got it. Oh, okay. So that's good to know, to let devs know. That's like really good to know. Like, how could you put that together? Oh yeah, and I could totally tell.
Good testing for the devs.
Yes, absolutely. I'm recording this, so this is great to be able to, you know.
If you could lock rooms and give access to certain users, that could work.
Yeah, because It's either that or hide. But yo. Okay. Great dev talk. What if they could create instances that don't have free cam? Like only the owner has free cam. Is there a way to remove that? Because if you remove...
Massive give exclusive permissions for subs.
Massive give exclusive permission for subs. Because if you removed the
That's a good idea.
yeah, if you remove the free cam from a world, that would prevent somebody from hitting 2, zooming and like flying around like a drone.
What I mean to say is maybe doors to certain streamers. Rooms would only be granted to subs.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. No, absolutely.
That could be good but would affect building. Honestly, best way would be personal space sphere that makes characters invisible if they enter your personal sphere.
Oh, yeah. They do have that in VR chat. A lot of stuff can be learned from VR chat. Yeah, they have the personal bubble or safety space, and I know that watching when Miko was trying to record video of her walking around and testing stuff, a lot of people would join where she is and then jump on her head. And she's trying to record stuff, and it can get really out of hand. And so she had to create a new instance of just her.
Yeah, it was chaos.
Yeah.
Digi EE.
Hey, Imperial Avery. Hello.
And although we do love chaos, we have to show respect to a streamer.
Yes.
So yeah, personal bubble space might be a great recommendation for the devs.
Absolutely,
QL.
100%. Because along with being
Agreed.
like I'm really working hard.
That happens in VRC and Chill Out a lot.
Yeah. Oh my god, Chill Out. I haven't heard Chill Out in forever. Like as a VTuber, as like a former VR chat person, and as a new VTuber for like being a VTuber like legit, every time I live stream, never go on face cam. I literally just destroy my face cam. No one's ever gonna see my face. Like I full on in 2023, it was completely VTuber. So it's all about VTuber stuff. So being a former VR chat and knowing what I know from being like a trusted user, like OG, and then come over and being a VTuber and learning as much as I can about that kind of stuff, the functionality of other successful programs. How can I help out Mikoverse? What can I contribute to? So me being a voice of a VTuber and somebody who has experience being a content creator like this as a 3D, because I know the whole popularity of VTubers being 2D or PNG, but I just don't think that a lot of 3D VTubers get enough love. That's why I'm really happy. I was really happy to see like Code Miko when she was around, because she was like, between, I think it's like up at the top.
MHM.
Like up at the top, it's like Code Miko, and then below is like AI Angel or Angel AI or whatever she goes by. And then you got all my other favorites like Onsta Monsta.
Project Melody.
Project Melody, is she? Well, she's 2D and 3D. But her 3D stuff, isn't her 3D stuff like the exercise stuff? The exercise videos?
but she game devs too.
Really? I did not know that.
Exercise? Big fan of Fillion.
Oh yeah, Fillion. Snackers. No. There was a joke Iron Mouse was saying because
Angel is also impressive.
Yeah, I know AI Angel from... I know the person behind AI Angel. This is how far back I go. Yo. I didn't even think. Do they still have... Oh my gosh, hold on for a second. What was their name? What was their VR chat name? Because they totally rebranded. Like, completely rebranded. What was their... Damn it, I can't remember. But anyway, AI Angel was somebody else entirely, completely different. And they were a VR chat, but they were like next level. They were already doing like Tinder videos with their model and like really high level stuff. And like people like PokeLols and everything. Like, who was it? Was it Snow? Snow SOS introduced like met PokeLols or somebody and like, hey, this is the guy that did this video for me. And yeah, and he was like, I did this and I would love to show you. And like Poke was at that point, Poke was like big. Like one of him and Whoops were like the top people in VR chat, like 2017 era, early 2018. And then like Poke acted like a gangster and be like, get him out of here. Like weird. It was kind of cringe because I believed in AI Angel's creator as, you know, as being really talented. Like literally the first time I met them, they put me in one of their music videos because they were making a music video with all these VTubers. Not VTubers, VR chat avatars. And it was pretty cool. They're very talented. But it is true that there is one person. I don't know how big their team is now, but it has literally been one person behind that in a mocap suit with technology like... You know, like the joke about that Miko's done on videos where she uses the voice changer of a guy. She's like, I'm a woman. And they're like, no, you a dude. Or whatever. It's interesting because, like, I don't know. I can't really speak on it. I know AI Angel from another name, but I don't know what that person... I don't know what that person's pronouns are, literally. So that's why I'm referring to AI Angel as her. So, to be, like, absolutely respectful.
It's okay. I can tell.
Yeah. It's a complete immersion for AI Angel. Going all in. And it's something that I... Like, there was a point where... Oh my god, you want to see something? I was messing around with AI voice changing. Like, real-time AI voice changing. And
I know that they were very into cyberpunk.
Yep.
Before cyberpunk was even a thing.
Yep. and all their videos, all of AI Angel's videos had to do was like hyping up Cyberpunk 2077 coming up. Yeah, it was great. They were they are really good. Like, and I think that I don't I think there's two underrated. I think Code Miko is underrated, and I think AI Angel is extremely underrated because both of them are working really hard and have been doing this by themselves, but now they have teams. And 2024 is going to be a great year for Miko.
What I'd like to know is what type of rig they have to run. That system must be multiple 4090s at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, beefy with a definite accents. I'll be honest with you. I found AI Angel before Miko, and I was blown away.
Because it's one thing to record a video and render, but I have also seen them live before.
Yes, no. They've been live. Yeah, they do all that stuff. They created like what Miko had, I think before Miko had it. Like I boggle my mind when I see great technology, and it's like the magician. Like I always try to reverse engineer something. Where is it? Did I delete it? I probably deleted it. Let's see. Genesis. My dentist. Chat spammer. Chimera. There's a couple of people.
Well, as long as they didn't do their GPU.
The stuff that they're doing would make my screen melt.
Drop.
Yeah. Super high ROI, React 1. Not my style, no pay. 2 new Reacts, new DIY. Marina. Oh my god, I had a video on Marina the VTuber that I never published. Lofty Beats, HC, Genesis. Where is it? It's somewhere. No, I know I did one. Video, VTuber videos for TikTok. Golden Hour, Germa. Steak Eddie, Sugar Way, Sugar, Sirmore, TikTok. Where is it? Like, whenever I see somebody do some technology, I'm pretty good at replicating it. But I'm seeing like crazier and crazier ones. And I can't, I'm like, wow. Where is it? Where is it? Come on, I know it's here. You want to see some interesting TikToks? Here. Let's remove. really wish I could find it. I think I deleted it.
There was this one TikTok, but I don't remember who made it. It was a AI band member that would go wild, and I think it was a drummer. And it was all rendered. It was really interesting.
Oh, wait a minute. Didn't T-Pain do, yeah, Miko saw something, what, T-Pain 3D mocap? Here, let's stop